Hey, fourth graders. Today we're doing Unit 11 on page 27 of your book, so go grab that. This whole lesson is about checking for mistakes and trying to avoid making mistakes. Why do you think we're spending a whole lesson on looking for mistakes and avoiding? Because they happen all the time. But if you're aware of that and if you're looking for them and you're trying to find them, then you'll be way less likely to let your mistakes slide. So let's start out here. It says always check your work. Mistakes can be easily fixed. What is the mistake in each problem? How can you fix the mistake? This is someone had a horizontal version of this problem, 67,308, take away 5,497. What they did, take a minute and look what they did. I can see the mistake. You've probably figured out. Okay, 8 minus nothing? Nothing in the ones place? Crazy. So that's not a 0, that's like a what? So what did they do? Think about how you can express what they did. Imagine this was your partner and you're sitting next to them and this is what they did. How would you say, ooh, sorry buddy, that's not how to do it? You would say something like face value our it up. Ones go 1, 10 go 10. Exclamation mark. So they didn't put their ones underneath their ones. That's their problem. If you did that, then it would be correct. Now let's take a look at this one. Someone had 134,865 and they want to take away 5,294. Okay, so it looks like they didn't make the same mistake. They have their place value up. Okay. Let's go through it and see what happened. 5 minus 4. 6 minus 9 is 6. Take away 9. How's that going to work? It's not. So we have to do what? We have to ungroup. What did they do? They just decided, oh, we'll just do 9 minus 6. You can't do that. You have to ungroup. So when the lower digit bigger than the top digit, you need to ungroup. Let's go ahead and do that correctly on the side. 4, 5, and lining up our place value. Five minus 4 is 1, and 6 minus 9 is over here. 7 of those hundreds. Now you have 16. 16 minus 9 is what? 7 minus 2, 5. 4 minus 5. Ooh, they did the same thing here. They just put 1. No, that's not going to work. So we leave 2 of our 10,000, and now we have 14,000s. Take away 5,000 also. And then 2, 1. So look at that. It's a whole different answer. Gotta be careful. Don't want to be making those mistakes. This next section says, check subtraction by adding up. Add up to find any places where there is a subtraction mistake. Discuss how each mistake might have been made and correct the subtraction if necessary. So, what they're suggesting we do is kind of hard to do. It's like a little tight space, but we can give it a shot. So they're saying we should take these two things because we know you take these two add-ins, you're going to end up getting your total, right? So if this is the total, if you add these two, it should get you, if you're adding up like that, it should get you what that total is. So if we have 7 plus 9, that's what, 16. So 6 would be in the one place, that's good. And then we'd have 10 join the tens place, right? So then 5 plus 1 plus 5 should actually give us like an 11. Now, I don't know about you, like this is what they want us to do, but I find it's kind of hard to do it backwards like that, and there's no reason why you would need to do that rather than writing it out and then just adding it back down. I could see a lot of kids get it. You might as well make it easier. So 84,357 plus 9,009. Let's just not make a mess and use our whiteboard. That's what we have it for, right? So 7 plus 9 is 16. 5 plus 5 plus 1 is 11. 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. 8 plus 6. So their answer was 160,406, and our answer is 160,515. So they messed up here, and you can see it doesn't look like, yeah. So that's what their problem was. They didn't do their own grouping. They had minus 5 should have brought over, and their 6 minus. So by adding those two up, you can see that they got that wrong. Let's go ahead and look at the next one. So we can adding 139,268 plus 415,073. 8 plus 3 is 11. 6 plus 7 plus 1 more, 14. That's good. 2 plus 4 more is 7. So far, so good, right? 9 plus 3. Wait, did I copy? I have a problem there. 9 plus 3. Oh, I see what they did. That's where they messed up right here. They did 9 take away 6. Have done 6 take away 9. Problem. 12. Yeah, that was their problem. All right. Let's go ahead. What happened here? 300,000. 8 plus 600,000. So 8 plus 2, 10. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 8. So you can see that they messed up their ungrouping from here. It's kind of hard to see exactly, so I'm going to go ahead and set up the subtraction. So 1,000,000 take away 300,128. So when you're doing this, with all these zeros here, you're going to leave 0 million, and you have really 10,000,000, but you're going to leave 9 of them. Bring one of thousands of 10,000s, but you'll leave 9 of them. So because of that pattern, what a lot of people do is they'll just write a 9 all the way across into the first thing that's brought over. 10 there. So 10 minus 2, 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 8. 9 minus 0. 9. 9 minus 9. 9 minus. So they're off by 99,000. That's pretty big. Yikes. Okay. Go ahead and take a look at this last one and see if you can figure out where their mistake is, if there is one. I'm going to add it up. Okay. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9, 13. 8 plus. Okay. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 6 is 12. 9 plus 3 plus 9. 2 plus. So 5,472,639. What does that tell us? They did it right. Hooray! Good job to whoever did this. Okay. Write and solve a subtraction problem with numbers in the hundred. Pick a purple pen. Let's have 602,012. Take away 309. Okay. And I just made up that number, right? But I think so. Okay, so 2 take away 1 is 1 take away 8 is not gonna work. So we have to ungroup. Come over here. We'll leave 3 of our hundreds and 1 of the hundreds. And let's go ahead, and I can see already we're gonna have to ungroup more. So 3 take away 7, also not going to work. We will leave 1,000, and then this will turn 13 hundreds there. 1 take away 9, not gonna work. So 7 10,000s have one of those. 11. All right, now we can go ahead and keep subtracting. Okay, 11 take away 8 is 3. 13 take 11 take away 2. 7 take 7, and 6 take. Okay, did that. Now, flip your page. Oopsie. We're continuing to look at estimation, and this is something that teachers do all the time when we're looking at different people's problems. To quickly decide if an answer looks like it's probably right or probably not, we use estimation. So it says you can estimate to decide if an answer is reasonable. Dan did this subtraction. 8,196 take away 5,980. His answer was 3,816. Discuss how using estimation can help you decide if his answer is correct. So, think about it. Before you do all the math, just use your head. Think about it. We could do a little bit of rounding. So this is almost 6,000, right? Really close. If we go to the nearest hundred, it would be 6,000. This is about 8,200, and this is about 1,800. So if you have 3,800 and you add that to about 6,000, together those are going to be like 9,800, and this is only 8,200. So what do you think? Was he close? Not really, right? So that's how one way you could use it. You could also go 8,200 take away about 6,000. That should be about 2,200 rather than 3,800. So both of those in either direction are decent ways to figure out if you're close or not. Okay. So here if you have 4,900 and you take away about 900, shouldn't it be about 4,000? Right? Not reasonable. 4,900 minus 900 should be about 4,000. Now you can try for this one. 52,022. Taking away. What is that almost? That's almost like, what? 30,000, right? So 52,000 take away almost 30,000. Should it be about 22,000? 22,000 plus 30,000, about 50. So we'll can say 22,000 plus 30,000 should equal okay. Now we're just gonna solve these ones here. Bob has 3,226 marbles in his collection. Mia has 1,807 marbles. Bob says 2,359 more marbles than Mia. Is Bob's answer reasonable? Show your estimate. So it's asking if it's so 3,200 take away 1,800. Plus another 1,000. If he had 14, so we'll say was 18 plus 18 24 would actually be 32. Yeah, he's way off. Okay. Two towns have populations 4,990 and 12,005. Gretchen says the difference is 12,005. Is Gretchen's answer reasonable estimates? So 12,000 in one population, she said 1,000. Plus is closer to 13,000. So 12 plus 13, is that 25? So is her answer reasonable? Yeah. Yes. 12,000 plus does equal 12,000. Okay. Last one here on estimate to decide if the answer is reasonable. If it is not reasonable, describe them. So this is saying, ooh, okay, I see it already. So around 800,000, take away around 3. So is it reasonable or not? Oh. Okay. So then we got to go ahead and do it. So we'll write 5,716, take away 90. And we're expecting the answer to be closer to 500,000 something, right? 6 take away 5 is 1. 1 take away nothing. 1. 7 take away 9. Oh, good. Here, 4 of those. 17. That's 8, and that's so far they've got it right. 4 take away 4. 0 take away 9. 700,000 and 10,000. 7 take away. So really they did everything right until right here, the biggest place value, right, which is if someone was like, here's that $600,000 bill, and you're like, wait, it's $500,000. You'll be grateful that you checked their math. Okay, so that's it for today. Go ahead and check and see if you have an assignment, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody.